Hello friends, it's Monday morning the 12th of July. Here's your super quick, uncut garden tour for today. Yesterday was my birthday, by the way. Hey, happy birthday, Chris. I hear you saying thanks. So take a look at the beans. They're climbing up over the top now, which is really awesome. And tiny little beanlings are coming on. Let's go this way, why not? I've got the end of the early raspberries are pretty much coming due. They're delicious, don't you know? Except the black jewel raspberries, because we didn't get enough rain. Look at how small and kind of pathetic they are. I'm not even bothering to pick them. Red currants we harvested. Black currants I keep forgetting to harvest. So, but they're ready to go. They're tart and delicious. Don't mind the sun. Look at that spider web. Okay, over here we've got some sunflowers that are climbing. These are mammoth sunflowers. That's it. And of course, look at all the Mexican sunflowers. This is how they work. They split like this and spread. It's just so stunning, I think. Speaking of stunning, hey, look at this. We've got a head on a broccoli, a couple of them. I don't have, oh, look at that. That's a proper Dutch leaf head. Although no Brussels sprouts are forming, which is just weird. Over here, we've got ground cherries that are coming on. Nothing ripening yet, as they should. In my weird extra flower section, hey, an Easter lily. Happy Easter, everybody. Sunflowers, all that jazz. We got mini little tomatoes coming on. We've got clusters of tomatoes coming on. These suckers are as tall as I am now, which is great. I could harvest the carrots, probably will in a week. Tomatoes to scale, look at that. Haha, I'm 6'5", so we got some winners. We've got radish pods. I'm going to pick these in a week, stir fry them, and then we're going to let the giant zinnias just go crazy and go giant. The peas are coming to an end of their life because they're starting to kind of turn yellow, which is hard to tell from this camera angle, I know. And I'm not talking about the pea pods themselves, although some of these I let grow too big, so those might just be seeds for saving. And potatoes, they're still going green. They're not turning yellow and falling over yet, so no harvesting anytime soon. Look at the pumpkin. We've got some flowers. No fruit setting yet. Oh, that's not a good sign. I don't know. I just don't know. So they're crawling. That's a good sign. What else we got? Strawberry asparagus bed. Nothing to talk about except the mint is kind of taken over. I thought I thinned it out. Got to do that again sometime soon, don't you know? Over here, I really should probably harvest the beets. They're definitely done. Not sure what this is. Oh, these are just weeds, you know. Late potatoes, looking good. The peas, again, right to the top of the trellis, 8-foot trellis. That's what we want. Take a look at the herbs. Gosh, the lavender is just totally full. We got some onions that are coming up. Everything is really looking lovely. Look at that dill. Chicka, chicka, chicka. Like I said before. Oh, hey, look at that. A tiny zucchini. Yay, one made it. I'm so happy. Oh, here's another zucchini. I'm so happy. We'll see if they actually go anywhere. Ye Jerusalem artichokes are about as tall as me now. Yay, that's good. Enjoy some summer heat. We got some sunflowers that are kind of straggly because it's more shaded over here and they like the sun. And we got the peppers. We got some flowers actually coming on the peppers, which is pretty sweet. I think this is morning glory. I'm really not sure, but it has just vined up there like crazy. I should probably just pull out the chard and the kale because it's effectively done. This is a creeping grapevine that's coming over here. I think this fall I'm just going to rip this out. So there you have it. There's my garden tour. How are things growing in your garden? Going pretty well. Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this, you know what to do. It was a very speedy thing. Oh my God, I just got a giant spider web up in my hair. There we go. Happy gardening. Bye, guys.